Did you know that over 60% of professionals now use some form of AI in their daily workflow? But here's the real question. Could an AI ever truly replace a human assistant? Or are we headed towards a future where tech does it all and we just watch? Right, let's get into it. I'll be honest. A few months ago, I made a decision that raised more than a few eyebrows. I let my personal assistant go and replaced them with ChatGPT. Sounds mad, doesn't it? But it absolutely flipped my day-to-day on its head in the best way possible. Let me tell you why. My assistant was brilliant, don't get me wrong. But between endless email chains, missed deadlines, and the occasional game of Chinese whispers over task priorities, things were starting to slip. I'd ask for one thing, get something else back, and by the time we'd sorted it, half the morning was gone. And then there was the cost, salaries, benefits, you name it. The whole process just felt clunky, old school. I needed something nimble and reliable, so I took the plunge. Enter ChatGPT. I started small drafting emails, scheduling meetings, brainstorming content ideas, but quickly it escalated. ChatGPT could summarize articles in seconds, whip up meeting agendas, even remind me of birthdays. The best bit? No waiting around, no miscommunication, just instant clear results anytime, day or night. And it doesn't just do what I say, it anticipates, suggests, even helps me see blind spots in my workflow. Suddenly tasks I dreaded became almost fun. But here's when everything truly changed. One Friday afternoon, I hit a wall with a project deadline. I needed to outline an entire presentation, pull stats, and polish the script. Normally, this would have meant hours of back and forth, but with ChatGPT, I just fed in my rough notes. Within minutes, it spat out a well-structured outline, key statistics, suggested visuals, the works. It was like having an expert right by my side, minus the awkward, "Have you got a minute?" Slack messages. That's when I knew this wasn't just an assistant, it was a force multiplier. So, to wrap up, traditional assistants are great, but for me, ChatGPT unlocked a whole new level of productivity and creativity. It's faster, more proactive, and honestly, it's made my work life a whole lot easier. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried using AI tools in your workflow? Drop your experiences in the comments, and if you're into tech and productivity, hit subscribe for more tips on making your work life smarter, not harder. Cheers for watching.